Presenting puzzling parables. 5 most lucrative ideas for online business. Number 5. GoPro and microphones. If you're looking to tap into the vast potential of the online marketplace, there's no better time than now to consider GoPros and microphones as your go-to products. These two powerhouses have not only captured the hearts of consumers, but have also become the ultimate seller's dream. Picture this: GoPros, packed with 4K video and exceptional image stabilization, are adored by adventurers and content creators alike. Their popularity is soaring, and there's an ever-growing demand waiting to be met. And then there are microphones, the unsung heroes of the digital age. As remote work, podcasting, and content creation continue to surge, the need for top-notch audio recording has skyrocketed. These microphones offer impeccable sound quality, making them a hot commodity in the market. So, if you're ready to ride the wave of success in the online selling world, consider diving into the GoPro and microphone market. These products aren't just selling, they're thriving. Number 4. Membership websites. Creating a membership site is a robust strategy to generate income through online learning and courses. With this approach, you establish a platform where users pay a recurring fee, typically on a monthly or yearly basis, to access exclusive content, resources, or a community tailored to their needs and interests. The key to a successful membership site lies in delivering exceptional value. This can include in-depth courses, specialized content, downloadable resources, live Q&A sessions, and an engaged community forum. The recurring revenue model provides a predictable income stream while incentivizing you to continually enhance and expand your offerings to retain and attract members. Moreover, membership sites foster a sense of belonging and exclusivity, which can enhance customer loyalty. It's essential to market your membership site effectively, targeting your niche audience and emphasizing the unique benefits of joining. With dedication and a commitment to providing value, a well-structured membership site can become a lucrative venture. Number 3. Natural skincare and beauty products. In the category of health and wellness, few things are as timeless and alluring as the world of natural skincare and beauty products. The allure of these products lies in their harmonious blend of nature's gifts and scientific innovation. As more people seek to enhance their beauty while nurturing their skin, the demand for natural and organic skincare items continues to flourish. Imagine a world where you can pamper yourself with the purest of ingredients, botanical extracts, rejuvenating antioxidants, and soothing essential oils. These products promise not just radiant skin, but a holistic sense of well-being. From luxurious moisturizers infused with exotic botanicals to revitalizing serums, harnessing the power of vitamins and minerals, natural skincare products offer an invitation to indulge in self-care rituals that transcend time. Moreover, the move toward eco-conscious beauty practices aligns perfectly with the principles of sustainability and environmental responsibility. By choosing products that are cruelty-free and free from harmful chemicals, individuals are not just caring for their skin, they're caring for the planet. Whether it's the timeless allure of a classic rosewater toner or the latest breakthrough in organic serums, natural skincare and beauty products are more than just items on a shelf. They're a promise of rejuvenation, a declaration of self-love, and an evergreen investment in one's well-being and beauty. Number 2. Props and set designs. Props and set design are essential elements that can elevate the visual and storytelling aspects of a YouTube channel. Depending on a niche and content style, a thoughtful selection of props and set design elements can significantly enhance creators' videos. These include props for practical demonstrations, thematic decor to align with content's theme, comfortable furniture or seating arrangements, greenery and plants to add life, artwork and posters for personalization, and even custom backdrops for a professional look. Lighting props such as neon signs and fairy lights can set the mood, while thematic props like costumes or toys can aid in storytelling. Additionally, tech gadgets and accessories, vintage items, and seasonal decor can all play a role in creating an engaging and visually appealing video set. Offering props and set designs tailored for YouTubers. Begin by researching popular content niches and the specific needs of YouTubers. Curate a diverse collection of props, backdrop decor, furniture, and lighting elements that align with various content styles. Create an online platform to showcase your offerings, emphasizing their ability to enhance video quality and storytelling. Market your business to YouTubers through social media, content creation forums, and influencer partnerships. Provide excellent customer service, offer customization options, and stay updated with emerging trends to ensure your props and set designs become essential tools for YouTubers seeking to captivate their audience and boost their content quality. Number 1. Plant-based and biodegradable packaging. Investing in plant-based and biodegradable packaging is not only an environmentally responsible choice, but also a highly profitable business endeavor. As the global awareness of environmental issues and plastic pollution intensifies, consumers are actively seeking eco-friendly alternatives. Plant-based and biodegradable packaging addresses this demand by offering sustainable and guilt-free options. The profitability of this business lies in several key factors. Firstly, it taps into a growing market segment of eco-conscious consumers who are willing to pay a premium for sustainable products. Secondly, governments and regulations worldwide are increasingly supporting eco-friendly initiatives, offering incentives and encouraging businesses to adopt green practices. Additionally, as more businesses aim to reduce their environmental footprint, there's a growing B2B market for sustainable packaging solutions. Furthermore, plant-based and biodegradable packaging aligns with corporate social responsibility goals, enhancing a company's brand image and attracting a loyal customer base. This makes it a win-win scenario where profitability and sustainability go hand in hand, making it a smart choice for entrepreneurs and established businesses alike. As you can see, the world is a twisty maze. Subscribe to this channel to watch the next top 5 list, which will definitely amaze you. And don't forget to hit the like button too. It's free.